Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually a very exciting video for me because this is a video like I have never done before here on my channel. It's not a beauty video, it's not, you know why you're here, you clicked on this title. This is actually my first affiliate, my first collaboration, I guess. It's a collaboration with a brand called FIRMOO. And FIRMOO is just like an internet-based global eyeglasses brand. And they contacted me and wanted to send me a free pair of glasses to review on my channel, and I was like, hells yeah, because I am blind as a bat. I'm not gonna say I'm blind because I'm not legally blind, but I can't see worth shit, okay? So when they contacted me, I was super excited because I was like, oh, of course, free pair of glasses, duh, because my glasses are a little beat up because I don't take care of my things. As you guys know, you've seen in my what's in my bag videos, my glasses literally just chill around in my purse, not in the case. So that's that. So I guess we'll go ahead and jump into the video. They sent me, I think it came like this, because I got it long ago. This video is way overdue. I have just been so busy with work and school and all of that. I finally got a chance to film, and I was like, I need to film that video. So got this a while ago. So I don't really remember how it came in the box, but I'm pretty sure it came like this. It's just like a suede drawstring bag that you can carry it in, and then once you take it out, I just got a black case. I've seen a lot of people that got a FIRMOO case that's it looks like a map, but I might have opted out of that. I don't know why, my case is black and theirs is different, but oh well, it is what it is. It's just a case, I don't really mind, but it's a very sturdy case, very hard, it protects your glasses really well. I have a Ray-Bans case for my other glasses, and it's just flimsy. It's leather, so it's not hard plastic or anything. So this is very reliable. I don't worry about my glasses getting broke or smushed or anything in here. So when you open it up, it also comes with a little FIRMOO, that's the name of it right there. It comes with a little cloth to wipe your glasses, a microfiber cloth. And then these are the glasses that I chose, and these are super different for me. They're very Harry Potter inspired, someone told me. But they're actually really dirty right now because I was wearing them earlier. My glasses that I have from my actual eye doctor, they are square and they're black and they're plastic frames. These are wire frames and they are very circle frames. But it's a black arm on it, and it's got some gold detail on the sides, and then the frames are they look black from the front, but they're gold on the sides. So when you put them on, this is what they look like. I know I have my ring light is glaring in them, so I won't wear them for the whole video, I don't think. But they're literally so freaking cute. I have gotten so many compliments on these glasses. I'm a server at a restaurant, and random people at my tables would be like, oh my god, your glasses are so cute. The first day that I wore them, they came, these arrived to my house one day right before I went to work. So I was like, ooh, I'm gonna wear them to work. I was so excited, and I literally got 17 compliments on them that day. And I was like, oh my god, it's the first day I've had them. That's so cool. But if I'm not mistaken, what I did is they contacted me, they asked me to review the glasses, and they also gave me a discount code for you guys that I'm gonna have linked down in the discount code for you guys linked down in the description box, so go check that out. But what they said, when you go on the website to order your glasses, you can either manually input your prescription information for your glasses, or you can just have your eye doctor mail you a record of your eyes. And all I did was just get my eye doctor to send me a record of my eyes and the numbers and stuff for my sight, and I just uploaded my prescription to the website, and that's how that happened. And if I am not mistaken, I can see out of these glasses 10 times better than I can see out of my other glasses, and it's the same prescription. Isn't that weird? But I love these glasses so much. I literally wear them all the time. I wear them more than my other glasses. And FIRMOO just seems like a really good brand. I'm so glad that I decided to collaborate with them because they were so nice and so understanding about me taking a little while to get this video up. Just because my life has been so hectic. I'm taking so many credits this semester in college, and I'm working a lot. So they were just so understanding, and any questions I had, they answered them almost immediately. So FIRMOO just seems like a super reliable brand, and they seem really genuine people. So yeah, I really recommend getting these glasses. I probably will definitely be repurchasing another pair because they are seriously just so cute, and they're cheap. They're not expensive at all. It says on this little, oh, also in the little baggie, it comes with a tool. It comes with like a little keychain tool. It comes in this little Ziploc baggie. It's like so tiny and cute. So all this is you just unscrew it, and it's like a little screwdriver, like a teeny tiny itty bitty little screwdriver. And then you unscrew the other side, and it's a flathead screwdriver. So that's freaking cute. And like it comes like on a keychain, so you can like put it on your keys if you lose it a lot. And I'm not gonna take this stuff out because it's just gonna be a mess. There's screws and they're like extra screws in case you lose one or break one, and then there's 2 extra nose pieces in there. Like, can you ask for any more? So these glasses are super cheap, and it comes with a lot of stuff, and they have so many glasses to choose from. They have men's glasses, they have women's glasses, they have unisex, they have kids, they have it all. So I will have their website linked in the description as well as the discount code, and I will have a link down there to where you can buy the glasses. So yeah, I really recommend these glasses. I love them, and I know you guys will too. So if you want to check them out, everything will be listed down in the description. Alright guys, so that completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I can help you get some specs because we gotta see in here, okay? We got to see. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure to comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!